Continuation to the previous video. So after double clicking your CCS setup 8.3.1, you can see the screen which is Code Composer Studio version 8 setup. So you have to accept your license agreement and just click next. So you can describe your folders, and preferably it can be C, not any other folders, because the control suite should also be in the same folder. So it will have some exe problem when you have it in the other folder. So please maintain in the C drive itself. Then just click next. Now here you can see there are different product families. Whichever the processor you use, you can choose according to your requirements. So as of now, I am going to choose C2000 real-time MCUs. So under the C2000, you can see there are more than 100 microcontrollers are available. And when you talk about the energy trace is available with the MSP430 and MSP432. So you can also choose that if you want to analyze what is energy trace. So in C2000, I don't think you can observe the energy trace, that is the energy consumption, which is measured by means of the controller, cannot be seen in your C2000 microcontrollers. So I'm going to choose all these three, whichever it is comfortable with. I will show you about how energy can be calculated and the simple C programming also. Okay. So after selecting all these three, just click next. So as per the requirement of C2000, so you have to choose only C2000 real-time MCUs, because that is the continuation of the previous video. We are talking only about the C2000. So just click C2000, just avoid these two and just click next. So these are the different debugger which is available in Texas Instruments. So which is default based on the software which you select, or based on the boards whatever you select, this will be automatically checked. So we need this TI XDS debug probe support and MSP flash RAM emulation tools. So this is more than enough for controlling any boards, that is the target devices. So that's all. So you can just click finish out of this. And so if there is any window like this, you can just say private network such as home or work network. Just avoid clicking on this public networks, which is not recommended. Just give allow access only to the private networks such as your home and other things. So now you can see your software is getting installed. So you have to wait till the end of the installation. It will take other 10 minutes to install this. Finally, you can launch your Code Composer Studio and you can see how the program works. Thank you.